everybody, and welcome back to another episode. I was just on an adventure, and I thought, what if I could record this and show everyone? So I did. So let's do this thing. I've been trying to figure out this for a very long time, and I think I might have got the hang of it. Oh, I can't go back up to 2. There must be a key down here then. Where would the key be? I've looked everywhere. No! I need to go back up. Would the key be somewhere just up where? Like somewhere Key. I tried to blow this up, it just didn't work. Oh! The key has been. Oh! Finally! Jeez, it took me forever to figure it out. Okay. Oh my gosh. So, all I had to do. Oh, I should have read that. Oh, I didn't even know that was up there. Oh my gosh. I'm so stupid. I thought. There's like a thing on the top of the screen. And. Oh my gosh. I could have done this so long ago. I'm so stupid. Oh, finally I did it. That was so stupid. Oh my gosh. Finally, I get something useful. Okay, let's do this. I bet that was just over there. Oh! Yay! I can. There's people like me. 4 keys. So one key must be this way. That and then escape. I'm back. I'm sorry about that. My computer kind of glitched out. So let's do this. I found the things when we left off. Those like boomsy things. I'm so bad at this. Go up. No. Oh, die, just die. Come on, please. Go. No! That stinks. Oh no. Let's try that again. Except put the boom seed down. Yeah. What? Oh my gosh, I have to blow this stuff up so many times. Here we go. There's the key. There's gotta be a key here somewhere. Oh my gosh. Key. Need that key. It needs that. Just kill me. I need to get back to this. Sorry about that too. My computer keeps lagging. So let's try that again. Where did we come from? Why doesn't it let me up this? Oh, maybe because it's like a thing where you can only go down. Go this. Go here and then go up. No, let me. Oh, yay. It's gonna let me go. Please, 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 please. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thank goodness. Okay, we need to go back over here. Let this guy go. You're welcome. 3 other sharks. I'm not so sure. No, 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 no. Why did I do that? No, I wasn't. Oh no! 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 I think I have been. Actually, I'm gonna get going. Bye bye. Okay. No! 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 You spotted me. You spotted me. I need this. These stupid keys, where aren't they? Definitely have been. Go down, go down. No, you guys can do it. Can you? No. No, I was so close to it. Oh no! I saw the key, I see the key, I see the key. Look at the key. Look at the key. Yes! 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 Sucker! Yeah! I did it! Okay, go back, go back, go back. No! Let me go back! Here we go. 1, 2 more keys. I got lost very easily. Oh gosh. No! Oh, here's the other key. What? No, 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 no! Oh no, I was right there. Come on, people. Okay, so I just need to go down this. And looks like right here. Okay, got that fucking false cave. Alright, No, go that way. Run away. Run. Oh! What the heck? Okay, I guess we'll end that video there, because obviously my computer is being stupid. So, bye!